Good evening, Gator families, and welcome to our Wellington Landings Middle School 2025-2026 Open House. My name is Mrs. Ingersoll, and I am honored to serve as the proud principal of this wonderful school. Tonight is one of my favorite events of the year because it gives us the chance to come together as a school community and celebrate what makes WLMS such a special place for your children. This evening is all about connection, connecting with your child's teachers, connecting with our school community, and most importantly, connecting with the middle school journey that your students are on right now. Tonight, you'll literally walk in their footsteps, traveling from class to class just as they do each day. Before we get started, I would like to ask everyone to please stand and join me in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Now, here's what you can expect this evening. You will have the chance to visit each of your child's 6 classes. During each session, teachers will share information about classroom expectations, curriculum, and learning opportunities. In between classes, you'll have a 5-minute transition period. We've also made sure you won't get lost. Our student leaders, the Gator Guides, are stationed throughout the building in bright orange shirts. They'll be glad to point you in the right direction. As you walk through the halls, I encourage you to take in the atmosphere of our school, the student work on the walls, the projects in progress, and the enthusiasm of our staff. These things are reminders that WLMS is a vibrant community where learning is alive every day. This year, our guiding theme at WLMS is "What you do matters." We chose this theme because it's true for every single person on this campus. For students, it means that their effort, their choices, and their attitude each day directly impact their learning and the people around them. For teachers and staff, it's a reminder that every word of encouragement, every lesson taught, and every smile given can make a lasting difference. And for families, it reinforces that your involvement, whether it's supporting your child with homework, attending events, or simply just asking about their day, truly matters in their growth and success. When we all recognize that our actions matter, we build a school culture where kindness, resilience, and achievement thrive. Communication is so important to us. Students receive daily announcements each morning about upcoming events, after-school activities, and reminders. Please encourage your children to pay attention to those announcements because it's one of the best ways to stay informed. For parents, our Facebook and Instagram pages are great resources for updates, photos, and reminders about PTO events and spirit nights. In addition, I send out a weekly newsletter every Friday that highlights important information, upcoming events, and celebrations from around campus. It's a quick and easy way to stay connected to everything happening at WLMS. We also want to make sure families have tools to stay connected to their child's academic progress. Through the SIS Gateway located in your child's portal, you can track grades and assignments. This is a wonderful way to stay on top of progress or see if anything is missing. Another practical tool your child has is their student planner, which is perfect for writing down assignments, tests, and reminders. Encouraging your child to use their planner consistently will help them build strong habits of responsibility and organization. At Wellington Landings, we believe that character and community are just as important as academics. That's why we emphasize our universal guidelines of STAR, which stands for Students and Teachers are Respectful, Responsible, and Resilient. These values are the foundation of everything we do, helping us create a safe, welcoming, and positive school environment where students can grow and thrive. Another important part of our school culture is our house system. Every student and staff member belongs to one of 6 houses: Altruismo, Amistad, Isabindi, Rever, Solivare, and Nukamori. The house system builds a school spirit that encourages teamwork and fosters a sense of belonging. Houses compete, collaborate, and celebrate together, and they provide another layer of support and encouragement for students. It's not just about fun, it's about building community, leadership, and kindness. Of course, our success at a school depends on strong partnerships with families. That's where our parent-teacher organization, or PTO, and Watchdogs programs come in. These organizations allow parents and guardians to be actively involved in the life of school. Whether it's helping at events, supporting fundraisers, or simply sharing your time and talents, your participation makes a meaningful difference. We would love to welcome new members this year. Truly, it takes all of us, parents, teachers, staff, and students, working together to give our children the best possible middle school experience. As you meet your child's teachers tonight, I hope you see the dedication, passion, and care they bring to their work every day. Our teachers and staff are committed not only to academic excellence, but also to helping students develop confidence, resilience, and a love of learning. As you leave tonight, I hope you carry our theme with you. What you do matters. Every act of support, every moment of encouragement, every positive choice makes a difference. Together, we are shaping futures. Thank you again for being here tonight and for entrusting us with your children. We are proud to partner with you, and we're looking forward to an amazing year ahead. Enjoy your evening, and we'll see you at class change.